Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. Charge the Beatxp Watch above 20% and keep your phone within a few feet. Open the Beatxp app now and allow Bluetooth, location, and notifications when prompted, because the app needs those to scan and maintain a connection. Once done, tap Add Device in the app and select Beatxp Watch. The app will start scanning. Make sure the watch screen shows pairing mode. If not, press and hold the side button to enter pairing. You now perform the Bluetooth handshake. In the app, tap the watch name when it appears, then confirm the 6-digit code shown on both devices. This ensures you're connecting to the right gadget. Once paired, the app may prompt for a firmware update. Accept updates only when on stable Wi-Fi because interruptions can brick the watch. Also grant health and sensor permissions so steps, heart rate, and notifications can sync smoothly. Without these, you'll miss core features. Finish by naming your watch and confirming time zone, then step through the app tutorial so you understand core functions. Sync contacts and notifications, then test with a call or message to verify alerts arrive on the watch. If syncing stalls, force close the app and reboot both devices. Wait 30 seconds before retrying the scan. If pairing still fails, revoke Bluetooth and location permissions, regrant them, then repeat the pairing flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.